Today is a big day. Why do I say that? Because I have my A7 III coming in today. It's supposed to be coming in at 10:45 or so. I mean, that's what the email said. So I'm pretty pumped up about that. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. A7S III. I keep saying A7S III. It's A7 III. So the funny thing is that the camera was announced and I didn't even think about this camera. It was not even on my radar. But as soon as they announced all the specs, I was blown away. I realized my goal was to get the A7R III. Well, this was the perfect match. I don't need the 42 megapixels. 24 and a half megapixels is more than enough. It's actually more than the 1DX, I believe, Mark II, which is about 20 megapixels. That shows you you're getting a lot of, oh man, I don't even know. I'm lost for words when it comes to this camera, so I'm just excited. Are you excited, baby? Are you excited? Huh? Are you excited? No! I'm gonna tell you a story. I ended up getting rid of my A7R II. Body only. I traded it for the A6500, a cage, and 18-105, and a few other things. Just kind of even traded it. And I've been loving this thing, man. It's been amazing. The reason why I did that is because, one, I have the A7 III coming out, so that right there shows that I don't really need the A7 II. I had it for sale on OfferUp. Somebody hit me up. I was thinking about it and I realized there's way better video features in this camera than there are in the A7 II. Now the A7 II is still an amazing, A7R II is still an amazing camera, but the autofocus is not as good as the autofocus that comes out of here. So I kind of just did a swap. I still have my A6300, and I still love that camera. So with all that out the way, that's, you know, life is pretty good, man. Life is pretty good. I was able to sell my 5D Mark IV for a really good price. They still got a good deal out of it, and yeah, A7 III. I keep wanting to say A7S III. It's A7 III. It's on its way today. I'm pumped up about it. I got a few accessories that you guys might be, you know, might be interested in. So we'll show that after I eat some breakfast. It's here. It's here. It's here. Yes, I got it from Adorama. It's here.